square.
As always, we're going to start with a little warm-up multiplication.
The whole bar is
Alright, so everybody have a pencil out?
No.
Alright, let's give everybody a second to take out a pencil, and then let me pull up the timer. Let's say the total is $6, alright? And Eric pays me with a $10 bill. But I don't say, okay, so you are paying with $10 bill.
People still say that.
So let's say I don't say that though, and I put this in the cash register, and I just give you back your change. What would stop you from saying, I gave you a $20 bill, right? And I wouldn't have any way of disproving you, right? So when we're paying, or when the customer hands you the money, you have to make sure you repeat what they paid with. Does that make sense why we do that? Just to make sure everybody's honest and on the same page?
Sure.
Alright, and then what about number 4?
Do the math. Cash given by cashier, total on the items purchased, change, check, change on 2, and back.
Perfect. So the math that we've already been working on so far the past couple of weeks. So you're going to have the total amount of cash given by the customer, and you're going to subtract the total amount of items purchased, and that's going to give you the change to hand back. And number 5, the last thing, Tiffany?
See, your changes.
Perfect. So you want, if your change you're giving back is $4.75, you're going to want to tell the person, okay, and your change is $4.75 before handing that back. All right, so does anybody have any questions about this process?
No.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair people up, and I'm going to have you guys feel comfortable working together? Stephanie, could I have you work with Johnny?
Yeah.
Tiffany, would you work with Brandon?
Yes, of course.
Does that work? Is it always? Do you feel comfortable working with Tiffany? Should we switch up the groups? Have you worked with Tiffany? Tiffany's really nice. I think you guys will work really well together. All right. All right. So let me hand out what we're going to be working on. All right. So I don't mind if where you guys want to sit. How about we move you guys right over here? Or either the back table where you can have a little bit more space. It's completely up to you. Wherever you feel most comfortable. Alright, so before anybody does anything, I just want to hand this out and I want to explain this, so don't get started quite yet. Alright? Because there is a method to this.
Why you do you eat like that? Huh? See, that way makes you eat.
Okay, so everybody has a copy, correct?
Yeah.
Alright. So, do you see how there's a side number 1 and a side number 2?
Yeah.
So,
Oh yeah. It is.
okay, so let's see here. So when you start, the first thing you're going to want to do is whoever the customer is going to tell the cashier what they bought, which everybody can see because everybody has that same copy, right? So let's say for example number 1. So you're the customer, right? So, correct, you're going to be like, alright, I'm buying a pencil and a notebook, right?
We actually have pencils and notebooks.
I know, that's why this stuff is realistic. And so what the cashier's job is going to be first is to add up those items. Now everybody should have calculators on the desk. You guys can do the math out by hand if you'd like, but since in the real world you will most likely have a computer or a calculator or a cash register to help do the math, I don't mind if you want to use that to double check your work. Now, once you have added up the total, you're going to tell the customer here what their total is. So now he's told him $6.81. For this example, if you are the customer, I want you to pay more. Hold on. So this is what I'm saying. I don't want you to give the cashier back exact change. I want you to pay with a bill that's larger than the amount that is owed. Does that make sense?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's it. I got it.
So yes, you could use.
Oh, no.
So for number one, you could use a $20 bill, a $50 bill, a $10 bill.
So 5, no bigger, that's small.
Correct, because $5 doesn't cover the total. So then you would give, and what would you say?
20, alright.
Yep, you're paying with 20, and now you have to figure out what the change is to be made, correct? So then you have to type in and figure out what the change is going to be.
So we can't get the exact same change.
If you are the customer, pay with more than.
I got a question for this.
Yes, sir. Come on, I'm
Okay, that ends. Wait, I forgot.
Run, that's me. I'm the cashier.
Yeah, everybody's gonna get a chance to play the other role in a moment.
The answer.
That is the answer. Hold on.
What?
We $8.25. Hold on.
You have to do it like minus.
Okay, so
Yeah, let's do it minus.
hold on. Did you tell him the total before he gave you the 50?
Yes.
Okay, and so he gave you the $50 bill. You have the total here. So
It's
what's
a pair of
last up?
sneakers, jeans, and sunglasses.
Yes, minus it.
These are both of the.
Cool.
These are both of the items you want to buy. So you need. These are. You added that, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you do.
I'm a rubber.
Someone added lotion in here?
I did that.
It smells
Alright, guys.
nice. Yeah.
Yes. I get it.
I did, yeah.
Take a seriously,
You
please.
recorded.
You, okay, here, all the birds. Only, this is like
All right, so that should be enough.
5.
Alright, yeah, so I need $1 and $0.50.
And someone put perfume on.
No, it's not me, it's lotion. That's not You see? It smells nice.
Oh.
You change back.
And remember, you want to tell the person what their change is that they're getting back, right?
Yes.
Mr.
$21.
Hall.
Excellent. So I want to hear you guys going through the motions, all right? I want to hear you guys going through the things that we're supposed to say, all right? Okay.
Oh yeah, number 7.
Sir,
Let's see here.
So,
no, let's finish the whole time.
For which?
I have the paper.
hold on, I got
For this one right here?
Let's see if you're wrong.
Okay. So how did you get this?
I wanna buy, she did it. Umbrella.
Oh, that was the amount of change that you got back.
Okay,
Yeah, absolutely. That sounds correct.
Alright, special.
All right. So which one are we doing right now? We're doing number 2. Is that what we're doing?
So is addition or 5 days?
So the first thing that we're doing here, and you are the cashier, so you're waiting for Tiffany to tell you. Tiffany's telling you what she wants for number 2, right? And then your job as the cashier is to add up the items that she's purchasing. Yeah, you're the cashier. Me. Oh, you're the customer, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm a customer.
Okay, so let's leave it on this side for when you're the customer. So this will help you go through the different steps, right? So you're telling Tiffany, I'd like to buy pencil sharpeners and colored pencils. Okay, so she's now telling you your total is $8.27. So you have to pick a dollar bill amount that is over that. So you have options for what you want to hand Tiffany. Right.
70 cents.
This is $8 and how many cents?
I do.
27 cents.
$8.27. That's the total. So now you have to figure out what you want to pay with. So, would you want to pay with a $10 bill or a $20 bill?
$10.
Okay, sir.
So Tiffany's
I want to
recommending
buy
maybe to use a
sneakers,
$10 bill,
jeans, and some.
right? Because will that cover?
What are you trying to choose?
Is
Yeah.
this
I
more?
think it'd be a
So is $10 more than the total?
Ya lo escuché bien. No. 41.
No.
80.
Wanna do 20?
$97.60.
Okay, so Brandon wants to pay with 20. So,
Okay, okie dokie. Thank you.
all right.
Okay, you
So
might-
Tiffany, and remember we always like to repeat back what the person paid with, right?
50. Oh no, dang it.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do 250.
You're paying with
Your change is 42 cents.
Paying
It's
with
not your turn.
$20.
perfect. So now you have to give Tiffany a moment to do the math, right?
Yeah.
That's the amount, right?
Yep, that's the amount of your total.
Okay.
All right.
$11. $11. Two, five,
You can see gray on the poster, unless you have a black poster.
$1 at a time.
So
It's,
as I said,
it's $16.05.
more than welcome to use this to double check.
Okay, you can use a 20. Mine is
I got it.
Let's see what Tiffany's got for us to change here.
Hey, how much you give me? 20.
It's 6.
You. Like the 1 and
So
95.
your change is how much?
$6.07.
So when it's
2 dimes
0.7,
and 3 quarters.
you have to
It's
remember
nice.
there's going to be a 0 at the end there, right?
Zero
And that's how a quarter.
Ooh,
2 times and
3 quarters.
$1 at a time.
sí, no, ya no tengo quarters.
So hold on.
Wait, I only got $1? I thought I thought it was $3.
Like that?
13.
I said $3.
13 with
Perfect.
57.
So when you hand it back to Brandon, you
Okay.
got to remember to repeat the amount, right?
I said 3.
All right. So Brandon, your change is, and how much was it?
What else do you want to say?
Oh, the mark poster. When did I start this morning? Yes.
Good morning.
Oh, when I started.
It is how much?
Buenos mañanas. Buenos días.
All right. Yep. And right, that looks
Buenos
right.
días.
Okay.
Buenas tardes.
All right.
Right there.
I got a
So you can write that right here.
Y
So,
vas a engordar,
let's see
¿ok?
here. If we're doing the math out this way, we can't do 0 minus 3, right?
Eso es para
So we would have to borrow. Cross that out.
escucho.
And so now we have 10 minus 3,
Seven
which is
The
what?
change is
$13 and
6.
79
7,
cents.
correct, sir. And then, let's see here. We have 9 minus 3, 1 minus 1.
Now I get it.
Now we get it? Alright, perfect.
Dame un
So
20.
that's one, she gave you back $6.70.
Dame un 20.
Alright.
Thank you.
No.
Okay, let's see here. Why don't I have you guys do one more, okay? And then we're going to get into a little bit of bingo. Alright? So I want you guys to practice one more.
We just need 2 more to go.
Alright, and are you guys practicing the lines?
Yeah.
No.
Wait,
Who's being honest?
Oh, you went and did it.
No?
Chess.
Am I hearing you guys,
We're not talking about
see, that's the whole point of this. We have to practice going through the motions, right?
Loud or like
No, but it's good to at least,
sometimes you be loud.
it's just practice. This is practice, right? and we're gonna practice this until I feel good about how we're doing with this. So can I have you guys run through an example for me?
We'll do the next one.
Alright, which one is that? 15?
Yeah. Well, we're almost done with 14. You should give me
$60.
A nickel.
the.
10 centavos. And you said 25.
I said 21.
Okay, dame un dime y un penny. Quita el nickel.
Wait, that's gonna make 11.
Whatever. Next.
So remember,
Sir,
what would like to repeat?
What do you
Okay,
want?
so you pay us $60.
Yeah.
I think it's not aquí en Hacienda.
Oh, that's it. That's how much. Anyways, I need to back friends, and it probably goes for my little niece.
18. Your change
Give me-
is 18
My
cents.
total is
But $10.
$15.
Alright. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
80 cents.
Alright,
Just
excellent.
18.
Perfect.
Alright,
guys.
come on, get down. Minus $4. Nada,
¿No?
Más tengo.
Ten.
Es todo lo que tengo. Hasta 1. There. 3.
Dice 4.
105.
Right, we want to give it all back at one time, right?
Yeah.
So, what else do you want?
110.
Here, just put
Yeah, then get all the pennies.
13. And you need 3.
Aquí está un penny, so I can't put one.
Alright. So are we starting to get the hang of this?
Chess.
Yeah?
Chess.
Is this something that we could do again once more just to get a little bit more practice with this next class?
Chess.
$1 bill for something that costs 50 cents.
I got it.
You know,
Thank you for saying 50 cents. Answer.
these answers are so easy.
Guys, as I said before, this stuff is easy for some people, more difficult for others.
For me,
I-
it's difficult.
Well, that's the thing. Everybody has different things that they're strong with and different things that they struggle with. For me, I struggle with certain things that it takes me a lot longer
Me too.
than other people, and other people think it's really easy. So we all learn at our own different paces, and certain things that are hard for some people are really easy for others.
Pesos.
Pesos.
Really.
And we have to remember that.
I think I got it, Mr. Hall.
That's what I like to hear. All right, throw the next one up there. So remember, once somebody feels like they have bingo, go ahead and shout it out.
Hold on.
Oh no.
There should not be any
$3
dread.
and 60 cents.
Everybody's gonna wind up a winner at the end of the day.
Got it. Woo.
360.
Oh, Eric, 360 for the sake of
I'm gonna 360.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Me and Eric was at.
Oh, that becomes a 10, right?
I need.
We need 3 more.
I need.
Why you doing that?
All right. I know some of these might be going a little quicker than people are ready for, but that's
Next
all right.
one.
The next one's up here.
Oh,
At 50.
So somebody's paying
But you got 50.
$2 for something that costs 50 cents.
I got it.
Nice.
When Eric